Okay, so I'm gonna remove the oil cap. And so what I like to do is I like to place it on the hinge. So that way if you forget to install it, when we close it, it's not gonna let it close because of it's blocking the hinge. Then we're gonna get it a photo and install it. Okay, so with our 12mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove these 4 bolts. And it has these little hinges where it stays on. All you have to do is just lift it. So, and it comes out. So with our 14mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the drain plug first, which is located here. Okay, so with the special socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the oil filter housing. Okay. Okay, so we're going to remove the filter and the O-ring and install a new one. Just want to grab it, take it out. The O-ring is right here. A little flat screwdriver. Just remove it. Gonna grab our new one, put it into place, make sure it's in the same spot you took it out, all the way around. We're gonna go ahead and install our new filter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install it back. So we're just tightening it until it hits. Watch out because of my spirit on your eyes. Alright, so we're going to put the cover back on. We're going to go ahead and put it back on these little hinges. Set, let it sit. And slowly push it up to preset. Put these bolts back on. just gonna zap it with it. So we're gonna install a new washer and our plug back in. Okay. We're gonna torque this to 25 Newton meters. And next, we're just gonna clean around it. Like so. So this vehicle takes 6 quarts of oil, so we're gonna go ahead and add 6 quarts. So after you put the oil inside, you want to start it for a little bit to make sure it filters, and then after you want to go ahead and check the oil level, make sure it's good. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but it's right in the mark right there. And that's it.